Back in August of 2021, Chase revealed all new benefits that were coming to both the Sapphire Preferred and the Reserve credit cards. And one of those new benefits that came to the Preferred card was a $50 annual credit on hotel stays when purchased through the Ultimate Rewards portal. So since a lot of people have the Sapphire Preferred card, including myself, I thought I'd give you a walkthrough and on-screen demo of how to use this new $50 credit, plus give you some really cool insights behind the scenes from personal experience of what you can expect. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also check out the links down below in the description area to get some more cash back when you shop online through Rakuten, to get $25 when you open a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards and all your rewards in one place. All right, first up, I'm going to give you an on-screen demonstration of how to actually book your hotel through the Ultimate Rewards portal and trigger that $50 credit. Then for part 2, after the demo, I'll show you how long it took to actually receive that credit after my hotel stay posted to my credit card. And third, we'll also discuss, did I earn hotel points or Elite Night credits towards status, or even have my Elite status recognized when I checked into the property. And in this video, we'll be going over the Hilton Resorts World in Las Vegas. So of course, Hilton being a major hotel chain is a perfect opportunity to test out those benefits. Because just so you know, when you book a hotel stay with a major chain and it's not directly with that hotel's website, so using the Chase portal, Expedia, any other third-party portal, you usually don't receive any points, benefits, or anything like that. Some may allow you to, some may not. It can be totally variable, so it's a great test. And before we move over to my computer, I want to let you all know that enrollment for the $50 hotel benefit is not required. So as long as you have your Sapphire Preferred card open, you're good to go, and the credit will be ready for you whenever you're ready for a trip. All right, let's book a hotel. I'm gonna go to chase.com and log into my account right here, so give me one moment. All right, so now I'm gonna select my Chase Sapphire Preferred card right here, and that brings out a slide-out menu just about that card there to show me my awards balance. So I'm gonna click on redeem right next to my point balance. And then for some reason, it has you select your card again. I don't know why that is, but now that we're going into the Ultimate Rewards section of your profile, maybe that's why. So I'll now choose Sapphire Preferred a second time. And now here we are, very cool here. It actually shows right in the middle, $50 annual Ultimate Rewards hotel credit. Earn a $50 hotel credit on stays purchased through the Ultimate Rewards portal using your Sapphire Preferred card. This little banner image might change, so you may not see that right away. If you ever want to learn about the benefit, the terms and conditions, simply go to the main menu here with the white drop-down arrow, and then choose Card Benefits right here. It'll then bring you to this page here where you can scroll down and see the featured benefits, the first of which is the $50 annual hotel credit. It also shows you how much of it you've received right here, which is cool. So I've currently earned $0 because I haven't used it out of $50 total. I have until my statement closing date on October 4th, 2022 to earn towards this year's statement. And that's what tells me that this runs on your account anniversary year, not on a calendar year. So that's good to be aware of. There's 3 little dots here. What does that do? Oh, it expands to tell you a little bit more about it. I like how it does track how much you've used. So it seems like if it shows you the status of how much you've received towards the maximum of 50, you can use this across multiple stays. So as you're about to see when I search here, some of the hotels might be less than $50. So if you pay $49.99 or less for your hotel, you can use it across different trips. I'll now go back to the main menu and this time choose travel. From here, I'll select the hotels tab and search for Las Vegas. Boom, check-in will be, let's do March 13th through the 14th, that'll be great. And that will be for just me for a little day trip out to the city. Search. And then this functions just like a regular online travel agency like Expedia, Kayak, Priceline, etc. So it's searching inventory of properties across the city from all brands and portfolios. So I'm gonna actually search by price per night. There's some different filters right across here. Okay, let me scroll down. I'll just search on the page resorts. Not on this page. Let me scroll over to the second or maybe third page. Search for resorts. There we go. Las Vegas Hilton at Resorts World. Nightly rate starting at $82. Free cancellation. I like that in case something last minute comes up. I'll click on this. Awesome. Scrolling down. Deluxe single room, 1 king bed, city view, non-refundable. Oh, the free cancellation is actually a little bit more. Got it. Well, I'm booking this like with, barely 24 hours in advance. So I'm just gonna book the non-refundable rate because my plans will not be changing. $52 resort fee due with the property. So kind of lame, but at least the portal is transparent about the fees and what they will cost you later. So I'll add this to my itinerary. Let's zoom on in here. Oh, I still have my Strat Hotel booking. Let me remove that one from here. Yes, I'm sure. So we just have the Las Vegas Resorts World Hotel left. Base rate was $78.10. $8.50 taxes and fees. I could use points. Looks good. Resort fee, $51.02 with the taxes that'll be due at the property. So the trip total without the resort fee is $86.62. That looks good to me. I will not use my points, so I'll put 0. Update. There we go. I want to do an all cash rate, again, to trigger my credit. So there we go. I'm going to now begin the checkout process. Okay, so at this point, it's just like a regular hotel booking that you do anywhere else. They want your personal information. I already have my traveler profile saved here from a previous session that I've done because I've used the Chase portal before. So if you have your previous profile, it'll be right here. Otherwise, create a new one. Just fill out your name, your email, your phone number, all that stuff. Usually when you book through a third-party portal and don't book directly with the hotel company, so Hilton.com, IHG, Hyatt, Marriott.com, etc., then you normally will not have your elite status, if you have any, recognized. You won't earn credits towards status, and you also won't earn hotel points. Some chains and brands may make exceptions. They might issue some benefits. Other hotels may not. So just as an experiment here, I'm going to add my hotel loyalty information. I recommend that you always do so as well, just in case. Choose the program. There we go, Hilton Honors. I'm gonna put my loyalty number for Hilton here. So this will be a fun experiment as well. We're then taking to step 3 on this process right here at the top. You can see the progress bar. We're on review and payment. So confirm your traveler information that you entered on the previous screen, the trip details as well to make sure that your nights, the rates, etc. are all correct. And then scrolling down here, we have the payment summary and the billing information. So of course, put your card details here with your billing address, etc. and then submit this page. So I'm gonna do that by entering all the details for this wonderful card right here, and then I shall return shortly after that. All right, I'm back. I filled out the information. I even selected this box here to save my credit card for future use to make bookings very easy going forward. I gave it a nickname, Chase Sapphire Preferred, to make it even easier. I've gone through my disclosures page and then I'll complete the checkout. And that's all there is to it for the booking. So I've got my trip ID here on my confirmation page. You can also email the itinerary to yourself right there if it wasn't already sent. I'll now go back over to the main part of my account dashboard and see if the charge already hit my account. And it sure did. So here's my Sapphire Preferred card right there. I've got one pending charge. And there it is, Chase Travel for $86.62. So we are good to go for this itinerary. All right, so here we are a couple days later. Yes, I will be wearing the same shirt all the way through this video to keep the consistency throughout. However, I want you to check out this screenshot directly from my Chase account, which shows that on March 15th, the annual hotel credit of $50 was posted as a fee and adjustment. And right below that, March 13th, so it was about 2 days earlier, is when my $86.62 original charge hit my account and posted. So for me, it was about 48 hours, 2 days or so for the credit to come through, which overall I'm very pleased with. I'd also like to point out that the app MAXREWARDS picked up on my $50 credit pictured right over here. You can see it come right through. This is the dashboard that shows you all the transactions you made across all of your cards in one place. So if you're looking for a great app to manage all of your credit cards, their rewards, your credit scores, the benefits, and a whole bunch more with one dashboard, that way you don't have to log into Chase and Wells Fargo and Bank of America and all the cards you may have, this is a great app to simplify your entire experience. I then went back over to the benefits section of my online account to see if the tracker was updated, and it was. So it was showing that the full $50 was received for my card member year. I then went over to the rewards breakdown dashboard, saw my charge for $86.62, and that I earned double points, so 173.24 points. And although the Sapphire Preferred earns 5 points per dollar when booked through the Ultimate Rewards portal, earning double in this case does make sense, and here's why. On Chase's website, it does indeed say you'll earn 5x total points on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards, but excluding hotel purchases that qualify for the $50 anniversary hotel credit. And I'm quite okay with that because the amount of points that I missed out on would have been worth maybe $3 or so. I'd much rather get a $50 credit than $3 in points, so it's a good trade-off. Now for the really interesting part about what happened on Hilton's side. So here's a screenshot that I took on Sunday, March 13th at 10:09 in the morning. morning right after I made my reservation with Chase, and normally it would show you the upcoming reservations here, but instead it showed no results found. So despite the fact that I did include my Hilton Honors number when I made my online reservation through Chase, that was not passed over to Hilton side. So when I actually went to the hotel and checked in, that's when it was all able to be synced up manually. And that's because I decided to pay the additional resort fees plus taxes on my Hilton Honors business card when I checked in, and actually on the front is my Hilton Honors number. So when I pulled out this card and showed it to the front desk agent, that's when he saw it and said, "Oh, you're a Hilton Honors member. I didn't know that. Let me enter in your rewards number, put it on file for you." And so here's a second screenshot, still on the same day, Sunday, March 13th, but almost at midnight, so well after I checked in that day. And then my reservation did appear on my Hilton Honors profile. It shows my check-in date of March 13th on Sunday and check-out on the 14th of March, which was a Monday. And there are a few other things I want you to pay attention to here on the dashboard. First of all, I am a current Diamond Honors member. I have 816,510 points. Very important to see if I earn points afterward once this stay has been processed after checkout. And also 4 nights stayed so far this year. Additionally, as part of being a Diamond member, I would be eligible to enjoy a daily $15 credit for food and drinks and 1,000 bonus points during my stay. That's basically my welcome bonus in addition to the base points I would be earning. However, I was told very directly and in a very respectful way too that the normal Hilton Honors benefits would not be recognized because I booked through a third party and not directly at Hilton's website. So my room upgrade didn't happen. That $15 per day food credit was not going to be given to me either. And in terms of earning those bonus points or base points or credits toward additional status, well, here's what happened. Here's another screenshot well after I checked out. This one was on Friday, March 18th in the late morning, 11:33 a.m. So a couple days after here, and the total points still 816,510, no change. And the number of nights I stayed this year, which is my qualifying criteria to earn status, was still at 4 instead of being at 5. I later checked out the points activity breakdown in the Hilton Honors mobile app and saw that indeed I earned 0 points for this stay. So no base points, no 1,000-point welcome bonus, none of that. And of course, no stay credits to earn status for the following calendar year. However, when I connected to the Wi-Fi on site, it did recognize my Diamond status and gave me the premium speed, which as a YouTuber uploading big videos is a huge benefit at no charge. So that was the one benefit I was able to take advantage of. And with all that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit other people, then please help me get it in front of them by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on those notifications. Also, check out the links down below in the description area to get some more cash back when you shop online through RAKUTEN, to get $25 when you open a SOFI checking and savings account and deposit just $10 or more, and to sign up for MAXREWARDS, which is a great app to manage multiple credit cards and all your rewards in one place. I thank you all for watching today's video. I hope it brought you some great value. I look forward to seeing you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.